Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to the daily current affairs. Today October 2nd we observe World Day for Farmed Animals and every year on October 2nd we observe this day to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and this day is organized by the International Animals Welfare Organization, and whereas this day is dedicated to exposing the needless suffering and death of farmed animals who are raised and slaughtered for food. Next one. Air Marshal Sandeep Singh is appointed as Vice Chief of Air Staff. Here, the Sandeep Singh is appointed as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff, and the Chief of Air Staff, that is Chief of Indian Air Force, is V.R. Chowdhury. Here, the V.R. Chowdhury has taken over from R.K.S. Bhadauria on 30th of September. Next one. Sanjay Bhargava to head Starlink satellite broadband venture in India. Here, the Starlink satellite, which is a organization of Elon Musk, uh, and it has a venture in India. For it, the Sanjay Bhargava is going to be head for the venture, which is going to be India of the Starlink satellite, and the founder of the Starlink is Elon Musk. Next one. Maharashtra CM inaugurates Wildlife Week. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. He inaugurated the Wildlife Week at the Sahyadri State Guest House in Mumbai, and he assured that the rangers are the true custodians of the forest, and they will provide all the necessary facilities in the near future. And the governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshar, and the chief minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Next one. IBBI celebrated its fifth annual day on 1st of October 2021. The IBBI means Insolvency and the Bankruptcy Board of India. It celebrated its fifth annual day on the 1st of October. Next one. Chacha Chowdhury declared mascot for Namami Gange project. Yeah, the Namami Gange project, that is National Mission for Clean Ganga NMCG. Here, the Chacha Chowdhury is declared as a mascot for this program, and the center will use this Chacha Chowdhury, who is a popular comic book character. It will sensitize by sensitizing the children and the youth about the cleaning of Ganga and the other rivers. Eh, and this Chacha Chowdhury was declared as a mascot for this program at the 37th Executive Committee meeting of the National Mission for Clean Ganga. Here, the objective of the National Mission for Clean Ganga is to reduce pollution and ensure rejuvenation of the Ganga River. Next one. India Pavilion inaugurated at Dubai Expo 2020. Here, the World Expo 2020, which has organized at Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, and this going to be organized from 1st of October to the 31st of March 2022. Actually, this Dubai Expo should be scheduled in the last year itself, in the month of October itself. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is postponed to this year, from the 1st of October to the 31st of March 2022. And in this, the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has inaugurated the Pavilion, and the theme of the India Pavilion is openness, opportunity, and the growth, whereas the theme of the Dubai Expo 2020 is connecting minds and creating the future. Yeah, this World Expo will provide a platform to showcase the greatest innovation which has shaped the world we live in today. And and whereas the PM Narendra Modi has participated in this expo by video conferencing. In this expo, about 192 countries are going to be participate, in which the India has the biggest pavilion in this expo. Next one. AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, has approved that 356.67 million US dollar loan for expansion of Chennai Metro Rail System. This AIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, has approved 356.67 million dollar loan to the Chennai, which it will span for lighthouse in the east of Punewala bypass in the west to ensure seamless multimodal transport across Chennai. And the president of AIAB is Jin Linquin, and the headquarters is at Beijing, China. Next one. Kangana Ranaut becomes brand ambassador of UP's government One District One Product scheme. Whereas this One District One Product scheme is launched by the UP government, Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath. Whereas in this project, around from the 75 from all over the state there are 75 districts, and from each districts the one project is going to be exhibited in this project, so that the traditional industries who work for this project and the people can get the work. And for this project, Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut has been becomes the brand ambassador for this project, whereas the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and the governor is Anandiben Patel. Next one. USIBC to present Global Leadership Award to Shiva Nadar and the Malika Srinivasan. Here, the Shiva Nadar is the founder and the chairman of HCL Technologies Limited, whereas the Malika Srinivasan is the chairman and the managing director of Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited. These both got the Global Leadership Award from the USIBC. Here, the full form of USIBC is India Business Council, whereas this Global Leadership Award, which are given annually to honor the top corporate executives from the United States and as well as India. Whereas these two, that is Shiva Nadar and the Malika Srinivasan, have demonstrated exemplary leadership and played a significant role in advancing the strategic and economic partnership between the two countries. So USIBC has presented the Global Leadership Award to Shiva Nadar and the Malika Srinivasan, whereas the president of IBC is Nisha Desai Biswal. Next one. Smriti Mandhana becomes first Indian woman to score a Test 100 on Australian soil. Where here the Smriti Mandhana from the women's Indian cricket team, she has become the first Indian woman to score the Test 100 on the Australian soil, and she completed her century to shape up the India's first innings on the second day of the first pink ball day and night match. Whereas the India is playing the first pink ball day and night match in Australia, and she scored 127 runs in this match. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.